Hey y'all, it's your girl Neicy, and welcome back to my channel. So as you all can see, I only have my base on, and if you read the title, you all know that this is just going to be a foundation routine. I have one on my channel, however, I thought that I would kind of update it. Not that I'm using a whole bunch of different products, but just like the quality of the video, everything like that, I thought that I would go ahead and update it. So yeah, that's basically all that it is just a foundation routine. So this intro is not going to be too long. If you guys have any requests or questions or comments or anything, please leave that in the comment section below. Everything I use on my face will always be in the description box, so please make sure you guys check that for all extra information. If it's not listed in the video, it will be listed in the description box. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, like, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel. That way you guys know next time I upload something that I post. And that's basically it, you guys. Let's get into the foundation routine. If you guys want to see that, then please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so starting off with foundation, I'm taking the Loreal True Match like I always do. I'm just going to put dots all over my face. Don't mind me trying to draw a little heart here. I was trying to be cute with it. But, you know, I just stipple the foundation all over my face to evenly disperse. So now I'm going to take my damp beauty blender. Again, make sure that the beauty blender is damp. And I'm just going to bounce all over my face just to blend everything together and blur everything together. I always use a damp beauty blender, and I always blend down my neck. I always blend everywhere because the damp beauty blender just smooths everything together and just creates a nice even base. Okay, so now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I'm going to use that to highlight parts of my face, so like underneath my eyes. And I use that just because when the light shines directly on me, those are the parts that I want to highlight and bring emphasis to and brighten up, you know, gets rid of those bags, those dark circles, any discoloration, stuff like that. So that's why you want to use the concealer. And then not only do I put it underneath my eyes, I usually put it on my chin. You'll see that in a minute. But I like to put that on my chin, underneath my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and then on the bridge of my nose. And those are all the spaces that I want to highlight and bring emphasis to. Don't mind me talking, y'all. I was just on the phone. So again, I'm going to take the same beauty blender, make sure that it's wet, and blend everything out. Be mindful, if you do use a brush, you should use stippling motions, like patting it in versus swiping, because you want to control where the concealer goes, because the beauty blender is good for picking up extra product, but the brush will spread it out. Now I'm going to take this Soft Focus finishing powder from Black Radiance, and that I just use just to set my concealer. I'm in the color Golden Almond. I don't think I said that, but I'm in the color Golden Almond, and I just use that just to set my concealer, not necessarily to brighten because it's just about my same color, but it just sets it in place and makes everything velvety and smooth. I use another finishing powder in order to brighten my under eye as well as set while I'm baking. Okay, you guys, so this is the other powder I was talking about. This is the Black Radiance Translucent Setting Powder. And as y'all can see, it's a little bit lighter because I use it to not only set the makeup, but as well as to brighten. So you want to put it everywhere you concealed and everywhere that you had set before. Again, just to brighten and bring, you know, definition to. So then I'm going to use this nice fluffy brush and just sweep away all that bake. That bake is just going to unveil a beautiful, flawless skin. Now we're going to contour using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And I just mixed both of these shades to contour my face. So I want to chisel out my cheekbones. I want to add underneath my chin to get rid of my double chin. And I want to add along my forehead so that way I can shrink my forehead a little bit. I don't necessarily contour my nose, but I do add a little bit on both sides of my nose just to add a little bit of depth. And this also just adds a little bit of color. Just let your face won't look so flat when people look at you, because in real life, you have highlight points, you have darker points that are reflected in your skin. So you want your face to look as natural as possible. And here I just add a little bit of lip gloss, and that's basically it. Okay, guys, so this is the end of the video. This is what my base looks like. I know you guys saw it in the beginning, but this is basically, you know, just to close up the video, this is what my base looks like. If you guys like the video, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the video out a lot. And also, if you guys have any question or anything, like I said in the beginning, leave it in the comment section down below. Do not forget to check the description box for any like details that were not mentioned in the video. Please check the description box. And lastly, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. What are you doing? Like, join the fam, subscribe to my channel. And that is basically it, you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.